Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to turn on flashlight when you receive a WhatsApp video call, which means if you want to turn on the notification light, which means if you get a notification or WhatsApp video call on your iPhone and you want your flashlight to enable or blink while you got a video call on your WhatsApp on iPhone. So how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning off the airplane mode, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after going into setting you have to scroll it down until you find the option of accessibility here. So here in accessibility you will find all of the commands related to your access. So you have to scroll it down until you find the option of audio and visual. So here you can find all the options related to audio and visual. So if you scroll it down until you find the option of LED flash for alerts, so what you have to do, you have to simply turn this on, and you have to make sure that you have turned on all these toggles. And after you have turned on all these toggles, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have restarted your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, you have to check now your flashlight turns on when you receive a call or not. Moreover, you can also check for a flashlight, which means it is working properly or not, which there may be an error in turning on the flashlight. So you have to also check that. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.